What's up, world? What's going on, boys? What's up, gang? It's your boy Chuck Boomberg in the house once again. Once again, Chuck Taylor, Chuck Tizzle, Chuck Boomberg, baby. So today is Thursday, July 3rd, and what time is it? Central. So we're Central time. So we got the market closes in literally 12 minutes. It's a short day today. But the whole reason I wanted to make this video is because basically I just wanted to kind of go over a quick, and this goes against most of, okay, look, zero DTE options are like the most dangerous that you can, if you hit them, you can make money quick. I get it, but I highly advise everybody not to do that because it's very, very dangerous, especially if you buy a lot of them, even though they're cheap. The time decay will kill you if you're wrong. Okay, so anyways, what you're looking at right now is Amazon, right? Now, this is a trade that I've been holding, and I took some profits on it. But right now, right, the 225 call, it's whatever, however many I have left. I basically I sold them, made the rest free. I had like five of them, and I think I sold like 3 to make up my cost basis, and then I let the other 2 ride. But yeah, so unless in the next 10 minutes this thing just goes absolutely berserk, I mean they're gonna stay worthless. But I did make another trade. As I saw an opportunity, and I want to show kind of how this worked. But so basically, this is the Bag Brigade Discord server. As I kind of start off every video with this, okay, it's it's a server. It's a community, really. So, anyways, we have a lot of stuff, and I'm not trying to promote this at all. I'm just showing you something. But we have our trade alerts, we have our algo trade alerts, we have our market chat, we have all this stuff, right? But for instance, today in my alert channel, I alerted this, and I always write, "Do not follow this trade." I mean, I'm breaking my own rule, literally, because I mean, I zero DTEs. I don't encourage anybody to do it, but I saw something with Tesla, okay, and I took a chance. But I did make it very clear, don't follow me on this trade. And so I entered the Tesla 312.50 put option that expired today at about 84 cents. And I got 5 of them, meaning $84 a piece, right? Why did I do it? Well, because, where's Tesla? At that time, on a 5-minute chart, okay, this is a fib. See, I have this fibbed out, right? You see? Well, I guess it's not completely. I mean, it's accurate. It's just off. But look, from top to bottom. God damn it. Yeah, so from top to bottom, you see, and it's actually off there too. I don't know why Google does some weird shit. Where's the bottom? Right here. Okay, there you go. See? So anyways, it's at the fib level. I'm on the 5-minute chart, right? So, okay, our 10-minute rig just hit. Shit, what's Amazon doing? It's going down. Yeah, those are going to expire worthless. Okay, cool. Anyways, back to Tesla. So, what did I do? It was about, let me actually look at the time of the trade. 9:22 a.m. in the Central, so okay. 9:22 Central is about right here, right when, okay, here you go. This yellow line, that's VWAP, volume weighted average price, okay? So at that time, when I saw the 5-minute candle close and break below it, I said, I'm gonna go and get, puts to, this is the point of control pivot point. And I was like, okay, let me look at the option chain, right? So what did I do? I looked for the 312.50 put, which at the time was trading at 84 cents or $84 a contract. I grabbed 5 of them. Okay, so look what happened. This thing came straight down. This was a 6-minute trade, by the way. Came straight down, right? Look, and I was even updating it in the channel. Look, within 1 minute, I was already up 142. I was up 34%. Then I was up 60%, and then I sold. I sold at 9:26, and I opened the position at 9:22. So basically, it was a 5-minute trade. Okay, but that's how you got to look at it. I was looking at it breaking, confirmation, breaking below VWAP with a closed candle, and then I saw where it could potentially catch itself. That was why I chose that strike price. Okay, it worked out. Sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes it can totally, go the opposite way. Like had I kept holding, I would have lost value for 2 reasons. 1, it was going back up, right? 2, time decay. It expired today. So like that was going to have a major factor. So I'm just trying to explain like why I took it. And also I guess is this the right example? I mean, kind of. So this is the TSI indicator, the true strength indicator. Basically it kind of shows like a sell signal, for instance, like when the gold crosses under the purple. Well, it kind of did it right here. Not the strongest move. It's doing it right now. That's technically a sell signal. So, and then vice versa, like, goes above. So anyways, I'm looking at all of this, right? And I made a educated decision to take this chance. And it worked out, right? So I sold basically right here, right at the bottom, right? That was my goal. That's where I wanted to sell. I mean, could it have gone lower? Yeah, maybe. I could have potentially made more money, but it didn't. And that's risk management to the fullest extreme right there. Like, yes, I didn't use a stop loss or anything like that, but I typically don't because I'm sitting there watching it. So that being said, look, and I alerted it, sell it, at 196, right? So look, here you go. Bought 5 at 84. Okay. 10:20 Eastern, right? Sold 5 at 196. So I sold 5 for 196. That means I made a profit of 175% and $560 in literally 6 minutes. So just wanted to kind of like visually show you how at least I look at things. Okay. Because I mean, I'm just like, the whole point of this is to kind of show like how because I don't like to day trade, especially 0 DTEs. Okay. I've never been a fan, but Tesla's one of those, it's so volatile. You try to buy options on a Monday, the premiums are still jacked up. So typically it's fun to trade Teslas and Nvidias and things like that are usually have higher premiums because they only expire at the end of every week instead of SPY or QQQ that have expirations every single day. So I will tend to do that sometimes, but that's like the only exception. So anyways, basically that's how it worked, right? I mean, that is exactly what I was looking at, right? I looked for the confirmation of the break below VWAP. As soon as I saw it, the volume kind of picked up. Everything was just kind of pointing, intraday bearish, and I had my level, what I was exactly thinking it was going to go to. Basically, I mean, you can kind of see right here, like it was like hovering at that same level kind of yesterday. So it caught itself there. These pivot points are really, really good. They're very accurate. So anyways, this is Webull. I know a lot of people hate on Webull. I trade only my options on Webull. I do not mix my long term. That I do that on Schwab, and I don't like to commingle them on the same thing because it skews your performance for at least my long term. You know what I mean? So I like to keep them separate. I don't sell covered calls. I don't do that kind of stuff. So, you know what I mean? So basically, yeah. So it doesn't make a difference to me. I wouldn't be selling covered calls against my positions anyway. my long-term holdings. So hopefully that makes sense. Like, right? You see, I mean, it legitimately broke confirmation, went right to the level that I expected it to, got out. Quick, $560 in literally 6 minutes. 175% gain. Bam. So, and I'm willing to teach people how to do this. That's what we do at the Bag Brigade. But what I don't do, and what I'm not gonna, we used to do this. I mean, we still do it, but it's not what you should be expecting. If you want to be a part of our community, it is for education, to learn how to do it, not follow blindly like a sheep. Okay, and just follow blind trades. Not doing that. That is not what I'm about. Okay, that is not how I operate. And if that is what you're looking for, then sorry, it's not for you. But if you want to get educated and understand how to do this, then by all means, click. There is a link in the description of this video for the Discord community, and there is also a link on the YouTube channel website for the Discord community. You just have to fill out an application saying, why do you want to be here? Like, what's your experience? It's just stupid. And then we'll check out your application, and, most likely you'll get accepted. And we're not even charging right now. So anyways, I just wanted to get that through. So, thanks for watching the video. This is your boy, Chuck Boomberg, signing out. Happy 4th of July, everybody. Stay safe out there, because I don't know. I don't have any plans, so I'm chilling. But just, don't do anything crazy, all right? Just stay safe. Happy 4th of July. Happy America Day. You know what I mean? Because Chuck Taylor, he don't ask why. He asks why not, okay? And also, look, I made something out of nothing, okay? So thanks for nothing. That's your boy, Chuck Taylor. I'm out of here. You guys have a great day. Happy 4th of July.